Here we have great library which is housed with great reading material. Instead of page up and down, take a book and start reading in an open space with fresh air and with sip of great tea or coffee. The books are of environmental values which will help to conserve our ecosystems and natural resources. In northern part of Thane city, the human to tree ratio is better than Civic Ward C, where the ratio is 51 people is to 1 tree. The worst region on the city's green map. At Borivali, ratio is 1 tree for 3.5 people. At Kolaba, ratio is 1 tree for every 5 people. We need to increase our overall green cover urgently. That is the only way to reduce carbon dioxide content in the air. CO2 level are causing the average Mumbaikars to suffer from many forms of respiratory tract illnesses. Observing natural phenomena can be a fascinating hobby, and we can acquire very interesting information about the environment by simple observation of nature's activities. And here we provide the platform. And so these walls are painted with Warli and Madhubani paintings. Children can learn to observe and relate them with the nature.
You will be wondering that there are many trees around these pictures, because in valleys trees plays a crucial role, because we consider tree as a mother of nature, which encompasses the life and death within her womb. The trees have been drawn in different decorative patterns, and the valleys which we have depicted are all from the daily routine of our village life.
The art of Madhubani paintings. Madhubani means forest of honey. This art form from the Mithila, that is Madhubani village of Bihar, is also called Mithila paintings. For paintings, rice paste and natural colors, those obtained from flowers, leaves, burnt greens and turmeric.
In ancient times, people instead of brush, they used to paint with the twigs. This inculcates the symbol of fertility, productivity in the nature and linked to our heritage, culture, traditional of India.
If you ask today's children from where you get water, they say from shower or a tap or a Bisleri bottle. They do not have the idea of springs, wells, lakes, rivers. They all are beyond their reach.
अच्छा, यहाँ पे पानी कैसे आता है? टीचर आके ऐसे डालती है पानी इसमें? नहीं, इसमें पानी कहाँ से आता है? From where do we get water? Pipe? No, I'll tell you. In this, we get water from the natural resources. This water that comes in the well is from the groundwater. Okay, children? Did you all understand now?
They know only mixture grinder, but the basic fundamental rule for grinding is not known by today's children. So for that, we have ground grinder, that is Zata, Pata, Varvanta. Churn the buttermilk and get the makhan, that is butter. Ravi is kept here. The Wali painting are executed inside the hut. Walls are first smeared with cow dung. Red mud is then applied to provide the best texture. Actually speaking, I should tell you what is the meaning of hut. Hut is a dwelling of people. It's a dwelling of people. People used to come here. They used to prepare this hut and the settlings, you know, the concept settling, how it came. लोग इधर से वहां जाते हैं, खेती करते हैं, अपने जीवन निर्वाह के लिए वो जो कुछ लेना चाहते हैं वो इसी से मिलता है. And that people started thinking कि कहीं तो भी एक सेटलमेंट होना चाहिए, और वो सेटलमेंट लेते लेते उन्होंने ये हट बनाया. Now we are going to see the history of fields. In prehistoric day, Men found wooden log which was kept on the slope, started running down. He got an idea of taking the load instead on the shoulder. He made a cart and the journey of wheels began. Here one more thing I would like to tell you, that is, as the natural resources are limited, use them carefully. Otherwise, the time is not far that you will have to travel by bullock cart.
We use our resources so negligibly or so carelessly that the day is not far when we one day again have to come on the same situation and we'll be having bullock carts rather than our vehicles that we have today.
Relation with Mother Earth is great. Playing in mud or make clay modeling is fun for the children. Petting animals or chasing them is not oneness with the nature.
We make children learn general knowledge by actually showing them the nature, showing them the animals, to make them feel by touching the soft texture of rabbit.
Learn with nature या निसर्ग शाळेला मी नाव दिलेलं आहे. त्यामुळे कल्पना अशी की आताच्या मुलांना जर प्रश्न विचारला दूध कोण देतं तर बोलतात भैया. पाऊस कोण देतं विचारलं तर बोलतात शॉवर. अंडी कोण देतं बोलतात दुकानवाला. त्यांना कोंबडी अंडी देते माहिती नाही. गणपती सगळ्यात पहिला कोणी आणला तर बोलतात ग्राउंड फ्लोअरवाल्याने आणला. म्हणून कुठेतरी मुलांना निसर्ग जाऊन घेऊन शिकवायचं म्हणून ही निसर्ग शाळा बनवलेली आहे. त्या शाळेमध्ये एक ग्रीन हाऊस बनवलेलं आहे, जो तुम्ही बघितला जाता. त्या ग्रीन हाऊसमध्ये मी 3 वर्गाचं क्लासरूमचं फिलिंग दिलेलं आहे. पहिल्या वर्गाला फ्रूटवरनं डायरेक्ट टीचर शिकवते. दुसऱ्या फुलांची माहिती देते. तिसऱ्या वर्गावरती मेडिसिन प्लांटबद्दल माहिती देते. नंतर तिथे प्ले झोन आहे, तिथे वारली पेंटिंग आहे, तिथे मधुबनी पेंटिंग आहे. एवढंच नाही, तिथे प्लस मायनस हे सुद्धा मी व्हेजिटेबलमध्ये दाखवलेलं आहे. त्याचबरोबर जॉमेट्रिकल फिगर म्हणजे त्रिकोण, चौकोन, वर्तुळ हे सुद्धा मी व्हेजिटेबलमध्ये दाखवलेलं आहे. त्याच्या पुढे तुम्ही जाल तर तुम्हाला एक MP थिएटर दिसेल. त्याच्या पुढे जाल तर तुम्हाला एक आदिवासी झोपडी दिसेल जिच्यावर वारली पेंटिंग आहे. आतमध्ये चूल दाखवलेली आहे, पाटावरवंटा दाखवलेला आहे, जातं दाखवलेलं आहे, मुसळ दाखवलेलं आहे, बाजूला बैलगाडी दाखवलेली आहे, नांगर दाखवलेलं आहे. थोडक्यात मुलांना निसर्गाच्या जवळ जाऊन, कारण आताच्या मुलांना पाणी कोण देतं, पाणी कुठनं येतं त्यांना बिस्लरीमधनं येतं किंवा नळामधनं येतच माहिती. पण पूर्वीच्या काही लोक विहिरीतनं किंवा पाण्याचा साठा कसे करत होते हे आम्ही दाखवण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. जी एक छोटीशी बावडीसुद्धा बनवलेली आहे. त्या बावडीच्या आतनं पाणी कसं काढतं, रहाट कसं लावायची ते रहाटसुद्धा लावून दाखवलेलं आहे. अशा प्रकारे निसर्गाच्या जवळ नेऊन शिकवण्याचा प्रयत्न आम्ही करतो.
The New Horizon beckons. The learning process is like the ocean, vast and endless. You feel you have achieved a goal after mastering a degree, but then something further beckons you, just like a ship reaches one horizon only to find another waiting beyond. The New Horizon beckons.